Tired of juggling multiple accounts and struggling to manage your margin across different trading products? Then Bybit's unified trading account is the solution you've been waiting for. Today, we're diving deep to explain what this powerful tool is, its advantages, and how it streamlines your entire trading experience. Think of the unified trading account as a single, all-in-one powerhouse. Instead of needing separate accounts for spot, derivatives, and margin trading. You get to manage all your assets from one central location. This means no more manual transfers between accounts to cover margin requirements or take advantage of trading opportunities. Your entire portfolio acts as collateral. One of the biggest benefits is its cross-margin capabilities. Profits from one product, say Bitcoin perpetuals, can automatically offset losses in another, like Ethereum spot trading, giving you greater flexibility and risk management. Activating the unified trading account is simple. Navigate to your account settings on Bybit. You'll find the option to upgrade. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the switch, and it is that easy. So, to recap, the unified trading account simplifies asset management, allows for efficient cross-margin utilization, enhances your overall capital efficiency, and ultimately gives you a more streamlined trading experience. Ready to simplify your trading? Head over to bybit.com to learn more, and be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials.